Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to add pop-up model box in your WordPress blog like this. I added this by using WPBakery Page Builder. Now to add this pop-up model box, first you need to visit dashboard. Once you logged into your site, go to the plugins and click on add new. Click on upload plugin. Choose file from your computer. Install Ultimate PC add-ons. You can download it from your browser. You have to purchase this plugin. Now click on install. Now your plugin was successfully installed. Click on replace current with uploaded. You will receive an activate button here. Just click on it. Now your plugin was successfully installed. Go back to dashboard. Now go to pages and click on add new. Add page title and click on backend editor. Scroll down, click add element. You can see Ultimate VC add-ons section. Click on it. Now from this section, select model box widget. Click on it. Now you have to change model box settings. You can add icon or custom image. Add model box title. Scroll down. Add paragraph. You can also add image there. Just press enter. Now click on add media. Add image from media library. Insert into page. Scroll down. You can see the image was added. Make it bigger by dragging this dot. Now you can also change alignment. Center is perfect. Now scroll down. Display model button. You can also display image, text or one page load. Button is best practice. Now change button size. Change button background color. Add button text. Now change model size. Change model box style. Select fade. Change overlay background color. Scroll down. Change overlay opacity. And save changes. Preview page. Click on this button. You can see a pop-up model box appears. Now click on this blank screen. This will disappear. Go back to editor. Make it little bit smaller. Change its size from larger to medium and save changes. Now preview. Click on button. Now you can see a smaller box. And you can also see a cross button here. Click on it. This will disappear. Now go back to editor. Add border to this box. Scroll down. Add model box border. Select solid and change border width. You can also change border color and change border radius. Now save changes and preview. Click on button. Now you can see border color and border radius. That's how you can add a beautiful pop-up model box in your blog using WPBakery Page Builder. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.